Got the S10 all loaded up on the ramp truck, and we're going to head back to I29 dragway to see what changing over to a turbo 400 with a transbrake does compared to the 4L80. If it does anything at all. I need to remember to shut my hood down on the truck. She should be ready to go, and if you noticed, I put some lettering on the S10. Now these were supposed to be stickers. I went to the dollar store of all places, and I asked the guy, do you have any lettered or numbered stickers? And he's like, sure, we got these over here. So I buy them and I bring them home, and all these are is a cheap piece of paper. So I had to tape them on with some clear packaging tape, but looking to get some stickers. Now, I was just going to put this on the tailgate back here, and I was going to leave that and then put Y farmers and then garage below it, but I didn't have no way to block those off. It looked a little weird. I did have enough to make one other side, and I also put that on the tailgate too. But anyways, we're going to head over here in a little bit and see what it does. Next day after testing out the S10 with a turbo 400 for the first time, made a few passes. Didn't do too bad. The one thing I was afraid of was the converter was a little too loose, and it is a little too loose. We need to try something different in it. I do have one on the way that I ordered. Oh, my time slips are blowing away, but I got 7 passes. That was the first pass. Nope, excuse me. This is the first pass. 750, 92. A little disappointed on that one, but the 60 foot wasn't the greatest. Second pass was better. Let's see. 733 at 93.61. Third pass, 734 at 93.87. Fourth pass blew on the floor here. 723 at 94. That was a pass I tried to transbrake on. Was doing some weird stuff in the rear end, so we went back and adjusted the caltracs a little different. Then went back and got this pass. Or no, excuse me, those two are messed up. That pass. That's not even me, is it? 1023, 1123. Okay, yeah, this is my first transbrake pass. I tried it. They say the rear end did some weird hopping around stuff. Went back, adjusted them. This is the pass after that. Did pick up 60 foot a little bit. Mile an hour hit 94. Then I just foot braked it the last 2 passes. And it did just as good foot braking it as it did running the transbrake, mostly due because the converter is way too loose and it's pretty much stalling at 5800. That's the last pass, 723 at 93.87. One by 760 foot time, foot braking it. That was foot braking it. That was transbrake. That was transbrake. Rest were just motor, or not motor, but just foot braking it. See, 722 was the fastest time. 94.06 mile an hour. Fastest mile an hour. Still needs more work. Needs different stall converters. Need to mess with the caltracs. I think next time I go, I'm going to move them up to here. See what it does. Just need to wait on my converter to show up. Hopefully it'll show up for the next race. And we'll be back there again.